Nadia and Irene, and we're Kyiv addicts. This is spring 2020. All the bars in Kyiv are closed, but the city is in bloom. So the obvious topic of today's video is beautiful viewpoints of Kyiv.
Actually, there are much more than 3 beautiful viewpoints in Kyiv, but today we're gonna show you our personal favorites combining nature and city views.
Kyiv was built on 7 hills, so basically, if you want to have a walk around the city, due to all its ups and downs, you will inevitably have a free extra cardio.
So today we have picked our first flat route for our post-quarantine buddies, and we're entering our daily life in baby steps.
And thanks to Kyiv city landscape, we naturally have a lot of viewpoints. So you don't have to climb on buildings, pay a lot of money or stay in lines to enjoy a beautiful city view and to make great Instagram posts.
Now, let's check prices for visiting world's famous viewpoints. The rooftop of Copenhagen Church, €5. Pisažna Alley, free. Eiffel Tower, 25.50. Glass Bridge, free. The statue of Christ the Redeemer, €15. Volodymyr Monument, free.
We're not saying other cities are not good enough, but as you've just seen, we're quite competitive.
We're now standing on a pedestrian bridge with such a long name that local people simply call it Klitschko Bridge or the Glass Bridge. Rebuilding this bridge was a huge project of our current mayor, Klitschko, a famous boxer.
Actually, this bridge is connecting 2 famous locations: Arc of Friendship and Volodymyr's Hill.
And let's take a look around. Would like to give you some tips for impressive photos. Romantic and mysterious look. Avengers. And my favorite, I forgot to put my makeup on but still want to have a photo here. Now we can have a walk to the second viewpoint, Volodymyr's Hill. There are many spots with an amazing view in this park, but we would love to show you the one from the Vintage Kyiv postcard.
The other reason we have chosen this exact location is that it has benches, so we can have a rest after exhausting post-lockdown 3 minutes walk and enjoy the view.
We can also give you some tips for stereotype photos you can take here. Pretending to interact with a tourist attraction, holding an ice cream on a blurred background, and of course, zero gravity photo. And we're moving forward. The route to our next location is so beautiful. You will enjoy lots of extra viewpoints on your way. See a funicular and probably be lucky enough to meet a squirrel.
Our third viewpoint is a Pisažna Alley. It is a perfect sunset spot.
Students of an art school gather here for picnics with the guitars on a cozy dates.
Peyzajna Alley is also an open-air museum. It has a lot of modern statues, art objects and beautiful benches.
We have some final tips for cliché photos. Photo inside the cat. Follow me off the cliff. And the photo with the rain statue.
Thank you for being with us today. We hope you start falling in love with Kiev.
Kiev has so many other places to show you, and our next video will be about courtyard wars. So subscribe not to miss it.